You need to wash your hands with water and soap before the administration of the medication, and you need to disinfect the area of the injection with alcohol wipes.
Meriofert Kit, we have it in 75 and 150 international units. Alike we have boxes of 1 vial or 10 vials. Inside the box, you'll find the kit, which contains a vial with powder medication, a syringe with water, a big needle to make the mix, and a small needle to administer yourself. To prepare the mix, you'll take the vial with the powder medication, the syringe with water, you remove the rubber cap, and you take the big needle, the green one, remove the seal, and connect it to the syringe that contains the water. Insert the needle in the middle of the medication's rubber cover and introduce the water. Shake it. Place the tip of the needle on the bottom of the bottle and aspirate the mix. If there's a bit of air in the syringe, you can remove it. Remove the bigger needle. Remove the seal of the small one and connect. And it's ready. This medication doesn't need to be stored in the fridge.